We're here live in Saskatoon, where the weather is just marvelous. Cars getting stuck and all. Like, oh my gosh. Look at that. Gee, man. Whew. Look how bad it is. Almost made it home. Almost home. It's a blizzard. A nice DQ blizzard. But you know, black man doesn't back down from anything. Gosh, that car is stuck. Look at that car. Stuck. Oh my gosh. Black man never stop, man. Oh my gosh, no, black man gotta stop. Almost there. Oh, oh. It's crazy. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Look how bad it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my hands, it's freezing. Look at that, I have to pass that. Oh, that's interesting. Whew. Oh my god, this. We have to go around. Lower ground. The wind is too much. This is just too much. Oh. Oh. You guys can't go. You have plans to go to SGI tomorrow, right? Don't worry about it.